Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now, I'm freaking out. If I look like I'm good right now, I'm not. I'm not, okay? So, y'all, something has happened. I have been through a series of 3 mental breakdowns. I've cried, I've called Jalen, I have watched a lot of my videos. Something is up with my hair. I don't know what right now. But I think this is the last answer because I have done a clay mask. First I deep conditioned overnight. Then I did a clay mask. Then I did 2 wash and goes and they didn't come out right. And now I just have my hair in this puff and I just have some moisturizer on it. And it just feels so soft. Like, oh, sorry, y'all. I need to put this light on. Hold on. Okay. And I'm sorry about my brush on, y'all. I really just came on before I hop in the shower. And my hair just feels super duper soft, y'all. Like, it feels crazy soft. Like, I called Jalen and I was like, I feel like that color changed the porosity of my hair or something. And I don't know. We've had some mental breakdowns and Jalen's like, Kim, just chill. Just use a protein treatment. And I'm just like, I'm low porosity. What do you, like, no, I don't want to use that. And so I wasn't listening to her, okay? I was not listening to her. And then I'm still just like crying and I'm like, Jalen, oh my God, I'm such a failure. I don't know, I had a whole breakdown. Do not judge me, okay? Don't judge me. I started watching some videos and I was like, and I realized my hair is just super soft. So I Googled, you know, like all of us should always do, like you should do before you hit my comments with the questions that you could probably Google. But you know, we're not talking about that. We're talking about me. It's all about me. And I was like, Jalen. No, I wasn't. Where was my story going, y'all? Jesus. Oh, I Googled what to do when your hair is too soft. And then the first thing comes up, over conditioning your hair, over moisturizing your hair. And I start to think, and I'm just like, Kim, right when you like washed your hair from being straight and all that, you deep conditioned with the most moisturizing deep conditioner of all time, okay? Of all time, till this day, okay? And you slept in it, bruh. Like, what? You know what I'm saying? So, long story short, guess what they told me? You need protein. And so I'm like, oh, Jalen was right. Thanks, Jay. Okay, I already had the Alpha G products. If you guys saw when I was showing you guys my product shelf video, if y'all haven't seen that, I'll link it above. But y'all should already know that I had the Alpha G products, but I gave it away to my homegirl. She lives about 20 minutes away, but Sally's was like close, so I was like, let me just go pick it up. Child, I know this shit was $25 and this was $9. I was like, dang. You know, but girl, I got it. So what I'm about to do, I wish I could take y'all with me, but I can't. So I'm just going to wash my hair. I'm going to shampoo it. Wait, let me read the instructions, Kim, because, you know, you'll be trying to do stuff you see on the videos, and you should probably follow instructions. So here we go. Let me show y'all what I got. So I got the Alpha G 2-step protein treatment, and this stops hair breakage, rebuilds hair structure, and ideal for processed or natural hair. I'm sure you guys have seen this. And I also picked up the balancing moisturizer along with it. So, step number 1. It says for professional use only. We about to do it though, friend. Okay. Come on, thing. Alright. Be difficult. Be very difficult. It's okay. I'm still going to open you because I need you. Gently cleanse hair with the Alpha G shampoo. Well, we don't have that. And then it says apply enough Alpha G treatment to thoroughly saturate hair and comb. Blend through with a wide teeth comb or even distribute. So I'm going to go shampoo my hair and I'm going to come back and then we're going to start adding this. Okay? All right. All right. We back in the building, y'all. You know, back and better. Back and better. Oh. This is my hair. It's looking really weird, okay? Do I still have my curls? Yes. But they're doing some weird stuff. They're doing some weird stuff. So it's time to get sticky, yicky. About to get sticky. This 2-step protein treatment, I heard, is very sticky. So let's go. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it out. Then open up this. Let me see if the thing already open. Yep, it's already open. Ain't had no seal on it. Okay, so I'm thinking I want to put mine in a spray bottle because it's really, really watery. So I figured maybe I'll put it in the spray bottle and it'll work out a little bit better because I don't know. So I had a spray bottle already here. So I was like, I might want to just do that. That's what it looked like in the spray bottle.
Pull the key out the ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit. Wondering how all this started. You left me broken hearted. You flip my words, yeah this love hurts. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor, never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no more. With you no more, yeah. Oh, yeah. Telling me you want me bad, but I know it's all an act. Something you say to get you away. Keep talking all your shit. You say you got it all, but then you start to fall down. You say no fair, I never cared. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor.
So I have applied all of the effigy to my hair. I'm going to spray some more just because I want to. But my hair is already feeling a lot better, like, for real. Y'all know I ain't with the hocus pocus over here. But this some hocus pocus shit. Because I done tried everything, like everything on my hair. And I'm just like, what's going on, sis? I was like, whoa. My hair is just like crazy soft. Like, that was weird. Anyway. What I'm going to do is go ahead. I think it says to sit under the dryer. Let's see. Let's see what else it says to do. After we get from the dryer. It says, leave hair uncovered. Do not use a plastic cap. Okay, noted. Don't have any anyway. And then sit the client under a heated dryer on medium heat but high airflow. So I'm going to do that. And it says, when the effigy treatment is dried into the hair, hair becomes extremely hard. Do not comb and brush the hair while the effigy treatment is dried and on the hair. Re-wet and gently rinse throughout with warm water. Remove all excess dried protein and towel dry. Okay, yeah, I'll towel dry, get out the shower again, come show you guys, put this on my hair, go back and rinse it, and then we'll see. So right now I'm about to go sit under the dryer though, so see you in a bit. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how it looks while it's hard, and I'm feeling good because my hair is back. Okay, it's not back, it's crispy. We are crispy, okay? All right, 360. Dryer indention. Dryer indention. Okay. All right, well, we're going to wash this out, come back so that I can put some of this on. So, let go. Okay, y'all, so I rinsed her out. I feel like I look good. We looking nice and healthy. I was so scared, y'all. I didn't know what was going on. Look at here. I ain't got no product on yet. So, let's go ahead and section this off. This feels like my hair again. Oh my gosh. I'm having an out-of-body experience right now. Y'all, ask Jalen. Ask Jalen how crazy I was about my hair. Like, I really thought something had happened. But you know, us as low porosity people, when we hear protein, we run, but we forget that we do need some protein. Your hair needs protein. So do not neglect it like my crazy ass. Do as I say, not as I do. Alright. So let's add this ATTN Balancing Moisturizer, girl. Alright, y'all, so I have completely added all of the Balancing Moisturizer by ATTN, and it says to leave this on for 2 minutes, rinse, and then dry, and then I can style as I please. So, yes, that concludes this video. My curls are definitely here. I would say this thing gets a thumbs up for me. What do you guys think in the comment section? Like, what do you think? Let's talk. Have you ever experienced this where you over moisturized your hair, or your hair just felt super soft? Have you experienced that before? And what did you do? Did you do this and it got back right? Or are you currently going through something where you feel like your hair is just too soft? I want to know in the comment section below. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one.